starting with numerical number 5.9. Calculate the period of revolution of a polar satellite. Whichever be the satellite, time period, formula for time period will remain same, that is r plus h the whole cube gm. Now let's see. Now this satellite is orbiting close to the surface of the earth, so h is equal to 0. So there will be changes in our formula. It will become r cube upon gm. If the satellite is orbiting close to the surface of the earth, height is almost equal to 0. So we will consider that we will consider that the satellite is almost revolving on the surface of the earth, or very close to the surface of the earth. So g is gm r square. So gm g r square. Why I have not taken gh? Because h is equal to 0. Why h is equal to 0? Because the satellite is orbiting close to the surface of the earth, that is almost the surface of the earth. So instead of taking gh, we will take g. And if you take gh, let me show that also. If you take gh, the formula will remain same. So here we can say g is approximately equal to gh. See, this is your g and this is your gh. Both are equal. So can I say g is equal to gh? Okay. So now let's come to this point. Gm will be equal to gr square. Now we will substitute the value of gm. T is equal to 2 pi r cube. Instead of gm, I'll write gr square. Instead of gm, I'll write gr square. So r square and here, so when r remains in the numerator, so t is equal to 2 pi r upon g. Now we will substitute 2 into the value of pi is 3.142 square root the value of r is 6400 kilometers, that is 6400 into 10 raised to 3, 6400 kilometers. So instead of kilo, I am writing 10 raised to 3. The value of g is given 9.8. Now we will solve this. 2 into 3.142, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Into, now here it is 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4. Okay. What should I do over here? Okay, so multiply by 10 in the denominator and 10 in the numerator. So it will give me 64 into 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to 6. 9.8 into 10 will make it 98. Okay. Why I have done that? 6 point, I'll tell you. 284. Now square root of 64. 8 8 is 64. So instead of writing 64, this is 8. And now since I have multiplied it and divide by 10, so that the power of 10 becomes an even number. If it is an even number, it will become easy for me to remove it out of the square root. Now 10 raised to 6, make half of 6 is 3. So now you can write 10 raised to 3. And here it is 98, square root of 98. 9.8 into 10 gives us 98. Square root of 98, we can easily get it from the logbook. Square root of 98 is 9.900. That is 9.9. So now we have 6.284 into 8 upon 9.9 into 10 raised to 3. This is the figure which we have. Here we can directly apply log anti-log and move ahead with the calculation. So t is equal to 6.248 to 8. into 8 upon 9.9 into 10 raised to 3. I can multiply and make my work more easy. 6.284 into 8. 8 4 8 is 32. 3 8 8 is 64. 67 2 8 is 16. So it is 22. 48. 50. So it is 50.272 upon 9.9 into 10 raised to 3. Now anti-log of 50.272 minus log of 9.9 into 10 raised to 3. So anti-log, here before point you have 2 digits, so 1 point, we will look for the log. Here again you have 1 digit, 1 minus 1 is 0. We will look for the log into 10 raised to 3. Now 50 का 2 का 7. Log of 50 का 2 and 7. Wait, 2 and 7 is 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So 7013. 7013. 9.9, that is 99.0. 99.56. 99.56. We will subtract 1.7013 minus 0.9956. Borrow 13 minus 6 will give me 7. Then again borrow, this becomes 6, this becomes 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0. Borrow 16 minus 9 will give me 7, 0.7057. So we'll look for anti-log of 0.7057 into 10 raised to 3. 70 का 5 का 7. Anti-log में 70 का 5 का 7 is 8. 5078. So it is 5078. After one digit you put point into 10 raised to 3. So it is 5078 seconds. No need to convert it into minute. If you want to convert it into minute, you multiply 5078 with 60. You will get the number in minutes. And the number given in your textbook is 85 minutes, which is wrong. It should be 95. That is wrong printed, but you can leave the answer over here. No need to convert it into minutes. If you want to convert it into minutes, you can directly multiply by 60. You will not multiply, you can divide by 60 and you will get the answer in minutes.